Hey guys, welcome back to Via Cooks. In this episode, we'll be making onion samosas. You can try making delicious, crunchy samosas and have it with your hot cup of tea in the evening. So let's quickly jump into the process and see how it's done. First things first, let's see how the dough is made. To make the dough, you would need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that's maida, and then add a pinch of salt to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Once you do that, knead it to make a soft dough. Add water as required. Now cover and rest the dough for about 20 minutes to let it become nice and soft. In the meantime, while the dough is resting, let's get our stuffing done. So for the stuffing, take a mixing bowl, add a cup of pressed rice, that's poha. To this, add a cup of chopped onions, 2 to 3 chopped green chillis, salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon dry mango powder, that's amchur. Now mix all the ingredients well and set aside. Let's check on what our dough is up to. Divide the dough into small balls. We will use each of these balls to make rotis. And when I say rotis, I don't mean proper rotis. We won't cook it for long, just heat it slightly. We'll see once we get there. For now, dust some flour on the table, take some dough, and with the help of a rolling pin, roll the dough into thin chapati. Remember, the thinner your chapati, the better your samosa would be. On a hot tawa, fry the chapati on both sides. Don't cook for long, just heat. You need not get any color. Cut the chapati into thin strips, just like this. Now take a sheet, apply some flour paste. When I say flour paste, you need to make it by putting water into the flour and mix it to make a consistency of a paste and then use it to stick the sheets. Now you need to make a pocket to put in your stuffing. So for that, fold it halfway through like this, stick some paste and then like this. And there you go, you see a pocket. Add your stuffing and then seal off. Your samosa is ready for being fried. Make few more samosas, repeating the same process. Now pour oil sufficient for frying and drop in your samosas and fry on a medium flame until you get that brownish color. You see? You get the brownish color? That's when your samosas are ready to be served.